Hello trader, Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. On daily basis you will receive calls in this chart automatically. You are just going to watch the chart like you are watching the video right now. Just going to watch the chart. It will automatically give calls in live market. On daily basis it is analyzing the candle movement. Once the breakout happens, it will automatically give the calls. For example, now a buy call generator. Today date is October 17. Time is 9:46. So now a buy call generator, a green color candle opened. From the open point of the candle itself, candle color fixed. It will not change. Our entry point is open point only. Buy at 39,498. So future trader can easily take the entry because it is trading below entry point only. And option trader can take the option, whichever option you feel, whichever premium you can afford, you can take that call option. And above green color line is our target line, below red color line is the stop loss line. First target is showing 99 point difference. So let's wait and see how it moves. Up to 10 a.m. market was traded very flat range only. But after 10 a.m. market started to move in bullish momentum. So during that momentum, market started to break out the first target range and it given 100 point profit, and market didn't stop at that point also and again started to move in bullish momentum and it break out the second target range also. Currently now market traded above 39,800 range. This is option chart, Bank Nifty weekly option, 40,000 call option, out of the money option we are showing. In out of the money option at 165 range the buy call generator, and market is trading above more than 100 point. 290 is the current trading range. So market can able to give 100 point movement. Meanwhile Bank Nifty future break out the second target range. So if you want a chart like this for your daily trading performances, means for if you want to increase your daily trading performance, you can subscribe for this chart. Just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the details. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.